Hey guys, a couple of quick shout outs. So I've been really impressed with the new Skid Factory videos that they've been putting out. So previously the Skid Factory has been part of MCM TV2, which is a Mighty Car Mods channel. Al or Turbo Yoda, Woody and all those guys, they've been around the YouTube vlog scene for ages. So I've been following them for a number of years, and yeah, love what you guys are doing. I love Mighty Car Mods. I love Go Fast Brett, all his technical detail videos. Scotty, Tuning Fork, fantastic videos, fantastic knowledge that guy has. He just seems to be able to, tune everything and anything. And yeah, so look, I just wanted to give those guys a quick shout out. The Skid Factory has a Patreon page like I do. I'm actually a patron of them. So I'm actually an Epic Smoke Show patron. So you get things like shout outs on their credits, videos 24 hours earlier than everyone else, things like that. So head over to their Patreon channel and yeah, pledge them $1. Be part of the Lemon Squash Club or higher if you want. If you like their content, it's always nice to show your appreciation, and you can get some rewards as well. So this is a shout out for the Skid Factory, Mighty Car Mods, and all those guys. MCM TV2 is their sister channel. Love what they're doing, so shout out to those guys. How can I forget Mechanical Stig? Shout out to you, Benny, and that Cresta. That's a pretty sick weapon, and drag week was amazing. Definitely looks like you guys had fun over there. Something I'd love to do. So yeah, good work.